Hey guys, what's up and welcome back. So today's video is going to be an after work pre-weekend clean with me. This video was filmed Thursday night. So what was Thursday's date? The 13th. And I'm editing this on Friday the 14th and hopefully it'll go up in just a couple minutes. So I wanted to get into the habit of cleaning my house, or again, not a deep clean, but just giving my house like a good once over every Thursday night. So now that I'm a working mom, I really want to just have my weekends to myself and not be totally overwhelmed by housework. So that was kind of the basis of this video. Again, it's not a deep clean and I wouldn't even say it's a super even like thorough clean. It's just kind of like a nice like once over, just so I'm not completely overwhelmed once the weekend comes. So yeah, so that's what today's video is. I know it seems kind of strange that I went in there and made the bed in my daughter's room, but again, just for the sake of this video, why not? I had worked, I got out of work, I went grocery shopping, I came home, I ate, and this is what I'm doing now. So yeah, so I cleaned right before bedtime, and then I also had to fold some laundry after Evelyn went to bed, which you guys will see. But yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it motivates you, and like I said, let me know if you guys are into doing the same thing of kind of cleaning your house like a mad woman or a madman every Thursday or Friday night, so that way you can have the weekends to yourself. So yeah. So I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. But before I go, I did want to say two things. Anybody that's affected by Hurricane Florence, know that I love you. I am thinking of you. Please be safe. And also, again, if this is your first time here, hi, my name is Jess. But if you're a returning subscriber, you know what's been going on in my life. And I just want to say thank you again for all like the sweet, loving, kind messages that you guys have sent my way on the past couple videos. I love you guys from the bottom of my heart. So yeah, so that's it guys. I love you and I will see you next time.
Girlfriend, you gotta get it right. Girlfriend, you gotta learn to fight. Girlfriend, you gotta get it right. Keep your eyes on the prize. Girlfriend, you gotta get it right. You gotta want it with all your might. Girlfriend, you gotta learn to fight. I know you're gonna be alright. You wanna make your way in this crazy world. Step up, girl, you got what it takes. They always say don't make waves. Don't you listen?
I am here in the middle of nowhere. There is no there, it is cold there, but I am safe and I am warm. Although it's hard, I know I gotta keep up. No time to lay, to drift away. I fill my space, I spend my time down the rabbit hole again. And as I fall, I can feel the pain. You can't tell me where to go, so I don't know, I just go with the flow. I go with the flow. I'm falling up, I'm falling down, from the sky and from the ground. Up above just like below, and I don't know where I should go. 'Cause I'm stuck in limbo. I'm out of love, but I guess I deserved it. Trying to hide, to pass you by. I'm getting I'm feeling fine. I'm light as air, no one can reach me. Lost in a dream, lost in between. Let's keep on flying, let's keep on breathing. I'm falling up, I'm falling down, from the sky and from the ground. Up above just like below, and I don't know where I should go. 'Cause I'm stuck in limbo. Cause I'm stuck in limbo. Cause I'm stuck in limbo. Do you even know what you do to me? Do you even feel the way you said you did? Was that all lie? Did I fall for your lie? How is this so easy for you? How are you moving on so fine? I'm still stuck here wondering, did I ever cross the line? Love so thin, like cold pain, you can just scratch it off. I was a band-aid for your heart, and then you just tore me off your heart. Tore me off your heart. Tore me off your heart. You're so cold, it gets so old. You set me up for the fall, and I couldn't hold on. Why did I try for so long? Why did you keep my mind tight for so long? You never knew me too well, you never asked how I was. How come I always felt alone when I was with you? Were you even there? It hurts me more just knowing I was your band-aid. It hurts me more now that it doesn't hurt you. Love so thin,